Sabadi. Hi everyone, how you doing today? Welcome to Gigi Lao's Kitchen. Today I'm gonna show you how to make Mok Kai. Lao food, they do a lot with steam like Mok Kai, Mok Pa, but today we Mok Kai, okay? And let's take a look at the ingredient that we have. Garlic, shallot, chili pepper, kaffir leaf, galangal, lemongrass, egg, soaked rice, salt, Padek, and Padek paste, fish sauce, chicken flavor, dill, spring onion, lime, banana blossom, rice paddy earth, organic chicken right here. Okay, after you have all the ingredient ready for, and let's go ahead cut the earth and chicken and banana blossom. I will show how to slice and cut them, okay? Let's get started. Cook with me. on the chicken part, I get only meat and the skin, okay? I took all the bone out and I slice really small and chop it off really good and slide the banana blossom and all the ingredient ready. Now we're ready to mix, okay? And I get everything already step by step, easy to cook, okay? Okay, well I use two steamer, two tray, but the water part you have to use this much, okay? Alright, and now go ahead, turn on the heat. It's gonna be on the high heat for 45 minutes. But I have to wrap the mok pa first, though. I'm gonna use the banana leaf to wrap the mok pa. I'm sorry, I'm gonna use banana leaf to mok kai. The way I cut, I do like the small piece like this, and the long one like that, and then the big sheet like this one. Let's see the better one. That one cracked right here, like this one. Okay. What I do, I clean and I lay over on my table overnight, turn on the fan so they dry. They're kind of like little brown, whatever, but they're still good because you want it to be nice and soft. See? Man on. Okay, let's start. Wrap with me. Okay, let's steam the Mok Kai. Okay, see, all done. Okay, what you need to do, the first one, make sure you leave some space so the steam can come out. Okay, don't trap it, don't put too much. See how like you leave it the area. That's the first tray. All right, close it up. And I see you in 45 minutes, okay? Because the chicken is cooked a little longer. All right. Ready, but believe. Home. หอมอีหลีหอมอหลอเร็ว finish อุ้ยว่าtrayเปิดเปิ้ลหอมหอมหอมหอมซีมน้ำกันเห็นบอกมันมีไข่ put egg chicken and banana blossom smells so good แซ่บแซ่บแซ่บไปเลยนะแซ่บไปเลยOkay. I got the recipe for you guys here. If you like my video, hit like and share, subscribe, okay? And I see you next time. Bye. ลาก่อน